Hello everyone, in this video we're going to tell you how you can install and configure SmarDen's Smart Door Lock. After getting the package, you will get the following things in it. First of all, we have the front handle, then the rear handle, a single bolt mortice, pinch plate for the cover, manual keys, and these are going to be 2 manual keys, a square bar, 2 small grub screws, 2 connecting screws, 2 trick screws, and 4 normal tapping screws. Please take the help from your local carpenter before moving on. First part is making holes in the door. You need to make holes in the door according to the mortise. First, make a 90 mm deep hole with a diameter of almost 25 mm. It will look something like this. Also make these 3 holes according to the mortise. Make sure you first mark the points with a pen or a marker and then start drilling. The middle hole should be almost 25 mm in diameters and the side 2 holes should be 10 mm in diameter. Once you make the holes, insert the mortise with the pinch plate inside the door. It will look something like this. Take the front side of the lock and you will see a wire coming out of it. Insert the wire in the square bar and set it like this. Then you can insert 2 grub screws on the side if they are not already installed. Now take these 2 connecting screws and insert them on top of these grub screws. Now take the lock handle and insert it in the outer side of the door. It will look something like this. Then take the other handle and open it from here. You can do it from the mini screwdriver given in the package. Then take the wire coming out of the lock and pass it through the other handle like this. Now use these trick screws to tighten the lock from this side. Once it is done, it's time to make the final connection. Take the wire coming out of the handle and connect it to this port, such as the red mark is on the top. Finally, install 4 AAA batteries like this and close the handle again with the help of mini screwdriver. Once the door lock is installed, it will create a Bluetooth network. Now you can just open the SmarDen mobile app and go to the settings. Once you will go to the settings, you will see an option called devices. Go to the devices option and click on the add icon. Now search for the Smart Lock Pro. Select it and click on next. You will see the Bluetooth network starting with PLDT. Select that and then let the app configure the device. Also, if you cannot see the Bluetooth network in the app, then you need to reset the device by taking any sharp pin and pressing this button on the rear handle for 10 seconds. Then you will be able to see the Bluetooth network created by the lock. Now you can give name to your door lock, whatever you like, and click on next. Once the door lock is installed and configured, you have to set the fingerprints and passcode. What you can do now is go to the devices option in the bottom navigation bar and select the door lock that you just installed and go to the settings. You will see some options like fingerprints and passcode so that you can add different passcodes and many fingerprints. First of all, let's try to add a passcode. Click on the passcode option and click on the add icon. Give a name to your passcode and enter the passcode that you want to set. Click on next and it will be done. Similarly, you can add multiple passcodes like this. Now go back and also add a fingerprint. Go to the fingerprints option and click on the add icon. Give a name to your fingerprint and click on next. Now the door lock will ask you to press the fingerprint sensor several times. Press the fingerprint sensor several times until your fingerprint gets configured. Once it is done, you can add multiple fingerprints from your family members. That's it for this video. If you face any problem while installing the door lock, you can call us on this number. Thank you so much for watching the video. We'll meet you in the next one.